And when the rain dropped into us another song, we went along, we played along. Tambourine, shaped like a tree made out of bones. I shook the sound and climbed the song until a string tied to a cloud we all call home. It moved along and I held on. As best as I can remember, this is how it happened. There was a tree in the bottom corner of a cornfield where I hid from people who lived inside my house. I called them stepsisters and fathers, but they were monsters holding out for light. They were people who did not know what they were holding out for. They didn't intend to be so beastly and wounded. They wanted to cross over into the way I wander, but they could not find me, and I paid for that. In 1974, I was born. The next 3 years were a bit of a blur. Understandably so. Though my mother has repeatedly reminded me that I was a loud baby. I wobbled and sucked my thumb, marveled and opened up, shat my pants, cute as the next kid, and my cheeks could be used for sailing. Because of... But in 1978, my mom's car broke down. We were brutally rescued by a truck driver for 8 years. He had the hell inside of him. Rug burn. I know because he pulled me across the floor. One day, my mom decided it was not okay anymore that he kept falling into other women's hoo-hoos. So we left him, realizing we had never actually been rescued. In those days, I jumped 6 feet from my light switch to my bed in order to avoid the hands of anything underneath it. There are still dents in my shins because I didn't always hit the mattress. Bedrooms and battle scars both keep well in the dark, hard dark, in the sunken-eyed section of a nightmare, paved with uppercuts and heart sparks, spark plugs, and fist first release. Listen, I'd fall in love with you if you would beat these people out of me.